Today, we have the absolute worst idea in skateboarding history. Justin Daniel Sanchez will go to achieve the impossible. I love how we just throw JD in there and nobody else. He will do a vertical hippie jump / board slide / vertical rail on the wall. I guess we just build it and see what happens. Yeah. You got that, Chloe? Heck yeah, I got it. Yeah, front people.
You know, we're not throwing him into the ringer, right? It's just, we are all old men and he is just a young lad.
Young lad.
All right, so let's just say right now that we're gonna build this just to look at it. And then JD, if you happen to get the urge to do some tricks on it,
that's
science.
all on you. Yeah, just so nobody knows, we're not making you do this.
We're just
look
building
on his faces like we were. No. What are you doing
Hey,
like that?
we're just building an art piece. This is for SF MoMA.
Drill a hole through this and screws there.
Yep.
What do you think, Rick?
I think it has potential.
Hey, quiet on the set!
I think JD's got it. My main concern is the safety of attaching it to the wall. I think we gotta do it right.
So here's the question. One hole here, should we do more?
No, I was thinking maybe put wood to chock it, put wood over the legs and like drill that into the thing.
Should we call your dad?
He's supposed to be here soon.
Oh yeah! Well, now that we
Dang, look at this toolbox!
Yeah!
Woo!
It's Gabe Cruz's job to organize this.
No, it is not.
Yeah, it is.
It's Derek's job.
No, it's your job.
I'll make sure when I take him out tonight, I'll say, Derek, this is your fault.
Okay.
We have like a bajillion screws back there.
I'm looking for a bit that's gonna bite.
It's so easy for you. What the? You're already out here drilling. I was filming JD. He's practicing already, dude. This is about to be so easy for him.
I know, I feel like it is.
He's already got the hippie jump, like 8 feet on the wall.
No way.
Yeah. You know what he's thinking of doing is shove hippie jump.
Dude, I feel like he can do a lot on this.
Yeah,
I feel
I
like he
think
can
so
board
too.
slide. I mean, imagine if you took me and you're like, we're gonna put a manual pad. I'm like, say no more.
I'd be like, wow, I won't do any tricks on.
Thanks.
I'm just kidding.
Thanks, Gabe.
I'm kidding.
I'm trying to decide if I want to do more holes. I mean, also what's good about this is we can just make this rail solid on any bump to bar.
Yeah, and then I think when Danny comes, you let him decide if he wants more.
Okay.
Just get it up on the wall.
I'll get the ladder.
No, don't go under. Okay, that is the worst luck in the world.
I'm not gonna under.
We found a piece of wood. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to use it to put on the wall.
Come on!
Dang it! He's warming up to skate the rail on the wall?
Yeah. And you are an absolute savage.
That would have took me 14 hours and 30 people later.
Did you tell him what the idea is?
So Danny, we're gonna put a rail on the vert wall and your son's gonna skate it. Wait, he's gonna skate it? Yeah. This is the first time I've ever seen Danny scared.
No, he's not. He's getting this show on the road.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Look at him. JD, this was such a good idea, dude. Thank you.
Like literally, like you come up regular and you just go like that and then you just turn in.
That's crazy.
That's easy. I'm pretty sure Day One did this and you know.
Yeah, I feel like that's
Wow, that's looking good. I sure did a good job.
Well done, Aaron.
Glad I was here to do this.
Dang. Patrick Mahomes.
Watch out for yourself, P. Mahomes coming for you.
Wow! Hey, whoa!
This is a gnarly obstacle. I need an iPhone. I'm gonna get the angle.
Aaron, this is good, dude.
Finally something I can do.
I think Aaron's about to board slide it. First, allow me to change my battery,
okay.
and then you may begin. Yes.
The ground is kind of sticky.
You know, now that I've really thought about this situation, this is even easier than a normal hippie jump.
Oh! There it is.
How many tries will the hippie jump take him? Leave it in the comments below.
Oh!
There's a lot more tries than I thought it was gonna take him. I thought it was gonna take him one. I'm actually shocked. Now, I'm real scared of it.
Oh!
I didn't think I was gonna send it that one, but I was like, you know what, I'll go for it.
Do a shove and come back down regular. Is that a shove or a big spin?
Basically like a big spin. Absolutely. Oh! Yes.
Don't go to...
Oh! Was waiting for that one. That's what it would look like if I tried this. Oh! No! Woo! You good? That was impact right there. Land it right here. Uzi will pull up. Oh!
I think you just gotta do the shove, just like barely slower.
Wow!
His dad said that doesn't look challenging enough.
Oh, that's so scary. That's so scary.
Wow! That is sick. Oh yes! How does that even work? I don't get the physics. You good? The digits are okay. That should not be possible.
Woo!
What now?
I literally don't know.
Drop in.
Think that was good enough?
Yeah, that was really good.
Nice.
Boom! Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed this crazy build. Let us know in the comments below what we should build next. And we make these videos so you, yes, you can get inspired to learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Shoo!